What is up, YouTube? Let me ask you something. Would you like to learn from two, not one, but two six-figure coaches? People who have been there, done that. My cat is excited. She's here to say hello. But seriously, two six-figure coaches, people who have been there, done that, made real money online, are going to share their secrets with you. Are you excited? I am so excited to tell you about this. And I really struggled whether or not to even do this, but I decided you're worth it. So here we go. I'm going to be telling you all about it. It's coming up in my review of Six Figure Memo. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. And that's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead because my cat will tell you that my jokes are pretty stale, just like her kibble. That's why she insists on canned food now. Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, Bart, really? Can you stop it already? It's enough. You know how annoying that guy is? He does it all the time. Yakety, 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 over the time, over and over again. You think you could give it up already. No. He keeps doing it over and over. It drives me crazy. Anyhow, but seriously, if you if you are new, the way things work here, if I like a product, I'll give a tip, man, it's the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz. I mean, you see, Liz is a sweetheart. You know, I mean, she says the same thing every day. Also, you'd think that I would get pissed off at her like I do at Bart, but she's a fellow New Yorker. I can't get pissed off at Liz Lemon. Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video. Comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now at the sales page for Six Figure Memo, sorry. Six Figure Coach is my program. Six Figure Memo, this is from my friend Jeremy Kennedy. Jeremy is a top affiliate on Warrior Plus. You can see his numbers here. Okay, he's 10%, top 10% affiliate and a lead vendor. Okay, he's at 16 deals of the day. Here's his actual numbers. Now, this is like, I want you to take a close look at this because this is really, really insane stuff. Okay, seriously, let me highlight this for you because I want you to see this. This is crazy stuff. All right, seriously, look at this. This is crazy stuff. Okay. $114,000 in affiliate sales. Now, why is that important? Who cares about affiliate sales? It's very, very simple. Because affiliate sales, this number right here, okay, this number is actual profits, okay? Because you can see here, Jeremy has done $355,000 since he started, okay, or $390,000 actually, because he's had some recurring sales, okay. But that is vendor sales. Now, vendor sales are different than affiliate sales because vendor sales basically means that he's had to share his money with an affiliate, someone like me. But affiliate sales, this stuff right here, okay? This, one second, my highlighter is not working for me right now. Let me get my highlighter into place. Here we go. This stuff, okay? Seriously, this, all right? That is real money, okay? That is actual money that you know that he's actually earned since he started. Now, Jeremy's been doing this since 2012. You can see right there, okay? I've been doing this since 2018, and my affiliate sales just on Warrior Plus amount to, I think, about $25,000. Okay, and of course I've made money as a vendor as well. I'm up to about $100,000 in vendor sales right now, and that's just on Warrior Plus. I also work on several other networks, on ClickBank, on JVZoo. So of course, both of us have made well over six figures and well over six figures per year. Okay, so now let me close that up. All right, this is his JV Zoo JV Zoo sales. Okay, $136,000. Okay, $42,894. Okay, check that out. 42,000. That's JV Zoo. Okay, and both of us, both Jeremy and I, are not like neither of us really does JV Zoo nearly as often as this. This is wild. Okay, look at that. Look at that number. Neither of us does JVZoo as often as we do Warrior Plus. I think my JVZoo numbers are around $10,000 to date, and I don't promote on JVZoo very often. This is, of course, Jeremy's JVZoo numbers. So you can see Jeremy and I both know what we're doing. Let me go ahead, actually, and I'm going to go right here. Let me go to Warrior Plus, and I want you to see just so I can see. This is just my Warrior Plus account. Okay, no, not this. I don't want to show you that. I want to show you my account. Here we go. Okay, check this out. Account summary. I want you to see this because I want you to see that I am also a six-figure. Somebody does six figures on Warrior Plus. Okay, and again, this is just one account on Warrior Plus. I also have a JVZoo account. Okay, check that out. Look at this. Look at this. I want you to see this number right here. Okay, check this number out right here. Okay, that's not including sales on JVZoo. That is not including sales that I did as a partner with other people, because I've also partnered with other people as a vendor. So I have done well over $100,000 in sales as a vendor. You can see over here, just on Warrior Plus, over $23,000. Okay, as an affiliate. And again, this is just Warrior Plus. I can show you my JVZoo numbers also, but you get the idea. Okay, I've been doing this only for 2 years now. Okay, I haven't done this for 6 years or 7 years. How long is that? 8 years that Jeremy has been doing this. So you can understand that both of us are people who can do serious amounts of money for you. Okay, we both know what we're doing. Jeremy's just been doing it a lot longer than I have, but we're both people who have like serious numbers behind us. Okay, now I want to show you something. This is the members area. Okay, not the sales page. This is the members area for my own six-figure coach program. I created this about a year ago because I wanted to share what I had learned, because I know how to make real money online. And I created this program. And it's got a lot in it. These are the classes that I taught when I originally started this program. I created it with to create video classes that I would teach. And now it's changed. Now basically I do a 60-day coaching program via email. People can interact with me via email and ask questions. And of course, there's a ton of material. You can see all the different courses that are included with my six-figure coach program. Okay, now this costs $347. Okay, that's the actual cost, and it's not currently open for sale on its own. I offered it as an upgrade with my last product, but it is not currently for sale on its own. Okay, I occasionally open it up. Right now, it's not for sale on its own, but, and I'm not going to get. Don't worry, this six-figure memo. Okay, this is a $9 course. All right, so seriously, $9. All right, now. Six-figure is a $9 course. I don't want to show you the members area just yet. Okay, my course is $347 a course. My course includes personalized coaching. So here's what I'm doing for you. Pick up Jeremy's six-figure memo. Now, each of these three classes, class number 1, 2, and 3, these are self-contained classes where I'm basically teaching everything I know about making money online, like seriously high level stuff. And as I said, this costs $347 to get in. You do get me personally coaching you via email as well, but the value that you're getting from these three classes is unparalleled. Okay, these are seriously super duper valuable stuff. All right, now you pick up Jeremy's six-figure memo rather, for $9. I'm going to give you the original webinar. The webinar has a ton of useful information. It's not currently available to the public. You get the original webinar, plus you get class number 1, which includes a high level set of materials that you're going to be learning from me. Okay, this course, no pitch. Okay, seriously, there's no pitch here. You're going to get the entire thing. And I really struggle whether or not to do this for a $9 product, but I really think that you need to get high level coaching and start really putting this into practice. Okay, pick up any upgrade to Jeremy's program. I'm going to give you class number 2 and 3 as well. All right, pick up any upgrade, you get class number 2 and 3. Now here's where it gets really, really insane, and I wasn't sure if I wanted to do this or not. All right, and I'll show you the members area for Six Figure Coach in just a moment. I really didn't know if I wanted to do this or not, but I decided, my birthday is coming up next week. It's going to be on Tuesday is my birthday, and I'm celebrating, so I'm doing something completely, totally bonkers. Okay, pick up any upgrade, you get all 4 of these videos, okay, from me. These are my high-level coaching class videos. All right. If you pick up the entire funnel, I also have another program that I taught called Tube Dominator. Okay. That's another course that I taught. This is another high-level course. Okay, Tube Dominator was my original high-level course. People paid $500 a piece to be in it. Okay, it did very, very well. And Tube Dominator includes all of my secrets on being able to make money on YouTube. I've never, ever done something like this before. This is completely, totally bonkers. Okay, so you pick up any upgrade, I'm going to give you the entire all 4 videos for Six Figure Coach. You pick up the entire funnel. And by the way, there's not that many things here. Okay, we're not talking about a ton of stuff in Jeremy's program. He doesn't do the thing where you have like 6 or 7 different upgrades. He's like, I think 2 or 3 upgrades. That's it. Okay, so it's not a lot of upgrades. Pick up the entirety of his funnel, which is not going to cost you a whole lot of money. And I'm not just going to give you Tube Dominator because I've given this away before. You can watch them. I'm going to give you PLR to Tube Dominator. That means you get both these videos with full PLR rights. You can sell them as your own. This is a high-level course. So you can sell my high-level course as if it's your own. Okay. You can bank leverage off of my name. You can tell people this is from Eric Hammer, the man in the hat. You are able to actually use my name in order to leverage my name. I've never, ever done this before. I've never given away PLR on Tube Dominator because this is a $500 course, literally $500. Okay, I am not kidding at all. It's a $500 course, and I've never done this before. I've never, ever, ever thought about giving PLR on one of my high-level courses. I've only got 2. I've got Tube Dominator and I got Six Figure Coach. Okay, Tube Dominator is my older high-level course that people paid $500 a piece to be in it. You're going to get PLR to Tube Dominator when you pick up the full funnel from Jeremy's Six Figure Memo. That is just absolutely bonkers. Now, check this out here. So this is again, this is the members area. It's basically a PDF. Jeremy is kind of old school. I guess I can't use my marker over here. Okay, and he's going to show you how to create simple how-to manuals that will actually make you a ton of money in your own target market. You do not need to be doing this using something else. You can actually make money from this using just whatever you know, basically. That's really, really critical. You do not need to know about the make money online world. In fact, you probably shouldn't be trying to do the make money online world because it's a really tough market to get into. If I had my way, I would actually go ahead and do something else. If I had to start over again today, I probably wouldn't be doing the make money online world because frankly, it's a really, really tough market to do. So let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give a tip my hat's a product creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Well, yeah, that was pretty obvious, right? Okay, seriously, I love Six Figure Memo. This is such high level, good quality stuff. And when you pick it up together with my course, I mean, like for $9, seriously, $9. Okay, that is just absolutely, totally bonkers, totally bonkers. Go ahead and grab this one. This one you are absolutely going to love.